LED effect is expected, but it's not the square one. So what is the problem? In this you must be careful that this black from the component side of LED PCB is here on the top of the component side. If you hold like this, then you can see that it is a track side. So this you have to be very careful. The soldering is not okay. Solder properly, then we will see. Here you can see that this is R1, R2, R3, R4. R1 and R3 should be 1.8 kilo, but it is wrong. Resistor is placed. Here we are not getting any effect. After changing with suitable resistors, we can see the result is improved. ये रजिस्टर सब गलत लगाए हुए थे, इधर के भी रजिस्टर जो है वो भी गलत लगाया हुआ था. सही करने के बाद जो ये सर्कल इफ़ेक्ट है वो इस तरीके से मिल रहा है. अभी भी पूरा अच्छा तरीके से नहीं मिल रहा है. Let us see. We can observe that this D2, D8, these are not glowing at all. मतलब कि अभी भी कुछ गड़बड़ है दया. तो देख लेते हैं किस तरीके से ये गड़बड़ हो रही है या कैसे दूर किया जा सकता है. Now you can see only one D6. This LED is not glowing. You can start from this one. See, this is moving in this direction and it is in this direction. Inner all LEDs are glowing and externally except D6 all are glowing. So now let's check this D6. This LED is removed. Now let us check this LED. Here inner larger area means cathode, so negative terminal is connected and approximately 1.8 voltage is given. It is glowing. This LED is okay. LED सही है. उल्टा लगाने की आशंका है इसको. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे एनोड होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे कैथोड होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे ये एनोड है, दिस वन इज एनोड, दिस वन इज कैथोड. लेकिन पहले उसी तरीके से लगा हुआ था. मतलब कि ये सिंबल जो ये ड्रॉ किया गया है वो रॉन्ग है. इस बार हम उल्टा करके देखेंगे. लेट अस सी बाय कनेक्टिंग इन अदर वे. अदर वे मीन्स हियर एनोड एंड हियर कैथोड. So this small is here anode and this is cathode. See, it is glowing. Yes. Let's solder on the back side. First switch off the supply. then solder here. So here problem is wrong LED direction shown on the PCB. PCB पे ही गलत डायरेक्शन बताया गया था, उस तरीके से कनेक्ट किए गए. Make sure that all these connections are okay. On this side also all are okay. Now switch on the supply. You see it's now glowing. So you can see inner circle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Inner circle is moving in this way and outer circle in this way. Inner circle is anti-clockwise direction and outer circle is clockwise direction. So in this way we have rectified यहाँ के रजिस्टर्स, चूँकि उतने लेंथ इनफ नहीं थी इसलिए यहीं पे डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट किया गया था. तो रजिस्टर्स रॉन्ग लगाया गया था, फिर प्रीसेट को भी बराबर सोल्डर नहीं किया गया था, उसे भी सोल्डर किया गया ठीक तरीके से. और एलईडीज रॉन्ग थे. तो आप इसकी स्पीड चेंज करके इफेक्ट देख सकते हैं. टिप इससे स्मॉल साइज का होना चाहिए था, खैर स्मॉल साइज का नहीं है इसलिए छुरी का यहाँ पे सदुपयोग किया जा रहा है. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं स्लो हो गई है स्पीड. आप आराम से देख सकते हैं 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और यहाँ से D1 D10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Thus all LEDs are glowing and this circuit is working. Here this is the maximum speed. In this square type, these three are not glowing. These three and these three are not glowing. So let's rectify this circuit. Now in this square, only this corner LED is not glowing. Now this corner LED is also glowing. In this capacitor is connected properly, but this capacitor is wrongly connected. Its polarity is interchanged. So we'll see after changing it. This capacitor is changed. start. This is a spiral running light. This is the LED PCB, and this is the IC and components PCB. Now you can see both the square format LEDs are glowing. See, all the LEDs are glowing. Here also, direction starting from here in this way. Now you can see 4 PCBs. This is circular, inner circle and outer circle. This is spiral. This larger is the end. This is the starting. This is the common PCB for all. This is the back side of PCB. This is the front side of the PCB. This is to increase or decrease speed. It is connected here battery. Here it is connected to power supply 9 volt. 8.89 is approximately 9 volt. Thank you for watching this.